everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Claire, this is Mrs. D, where we dive into all things Amazon KDP and creating a life of freedom and creativity. Today we're going to be talking about something that really can set you apart in 2025. Unique book ideas for KDP success. So grab your favourite drink, I've got my tea, and let's have a chat about how you can stand out in the ever-growing KDP world. Oh, and don't forget to stick around because I've got 3 questions that are going to really help you get your creative juices flowing. So let's dive in. So our first section today is going to be about the power of unique ideas in KDP. Why does uniqueness matter so much? Well, with thousands of new books hitting Amazon every day, standing out is your golden ticket. Readers are always on the lookout for something fresh, and if you can deliver that, you have already won half of the battle. So here's a question for you to think about. What problem or interest do you have that others might share? Sometimes your own experience can spark the best ideas. If you ever watched Dragon's Den, or in America it's called Fish Tank, like most of those great business ideas are born out of a problem that they or someone else has had. So let's dive into the first innovative idea for 2025. Niched themes. Instead of going broad, zoom in on super specific interests or community. Think about a hobby that is perhaps gaining traction, like urban foraging, digital detoxing, or pickleball, and think about how you can create a journal or a workbook tailored to these audiences. You could perhaps design a guided urban foraging log or a step-by-step digital detox planner. So here's another question for you. What niche communities are you part of or curious about? The smaller the niche, the more loyal your audience will be. Next up, let's talk about AI enhanced interactivity. With tools like ChatGPT and AI art generators, you can create a book that offers more than just content. They create experiences. Imagine writing a prompt book that adapts based on the user's choices, or a children's storybooks where readers can personalise the characters and outcomes. These types of interactive books will really take off in 2025. And if you're thinking, oh my days, that sounds so complicated, there are simple ways to integrate AI without overwhelming yourself. So start small with perhaps customizable templates or AI generated illustration. And then from there, you can build on from that. Now, if this year your goal is to harness AI within KDP and self-publishing, then why not download my guide to using AI? And within it, you're going to find prompts to use. You're going to find so many different solutions, whether you're using ChatGPT, DALL-E, it doesn't matter. It's all going to help you improve your AI experience. So if you're interested in this free download, then click the link down in the description and it's going to take you straight to it. The third idea is all about emotional connection. In a world full of tech and noise, people are craving meaning. Books that foster a connection or introspection are going to be huge. In 2024, we saw this space blow up and it shows absolutely no signs of slowing down yet. For example, you could create a parent-child memory journal that guides families to document special moments together, or a couple's bucket list planner that helps partners dream and just plan together. So here's my final question. What emotions or experiences do you want your readers to take away from your books? I want you to think about the impact that you want to leave. So how can you start bringing these ideas to life? Here's a quick action plan for you to follow. Search trending niches and dive into communities online. Experiment with AI tools to see what's possible for your book ideas. Think about how you can create an emotional connection through your content. And this doesn't necessarily just have to be through the books. This can be through your social media and your marketing as well. And remember, the goal is to keep it simple and fun. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just add your unique twist to it. And if you're interested in how to push your Amazon KDP journey forward using AI, well then don't forget to download my free Chat GPT guide. It's going to give you some great prompts to use, and it's going to really help push your content to the next level. That is it for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I really hope that these ideas spark some inspiration for your next KDP projects. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try, or if you've got your own unique book idea brewing, I would absolutely love to hear all about it. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks for your KDP journey. Until next time, bye.